Docker is a popular tool for building, sharing, and running software applications. It's like a virtual shipping container for your code, making it easy to move and run applications anywhere, regardless of the underlying infrastructure. Imagine you have a program that you want to share with others. Traditionally, you'd need to provide a long list of instructions on how to set up the correct environment, install dependencies, and run the program. Docker simplifies this process by packaging everything your application needs into a single container. This container acts as a self-contained unit that can run on any machine with Docker installed. Whether your colleague is using a different operating system or a cloud provider, the Docker container ensures that your application runs consistently and reliably. This portability and ease of use have made Docker a game-changer in software development and deployment. By abstracting away the complexities of environment setup, Docker empowers developers to focus on writing code and delivering value faster. Before Docker, deploying applications was often a complex and error-prone process. Developers would build applications on their local machines, but these applications might encounter compatibility issues when deployed to servers or the cloud. Different environments often had varying configurations, libraries, and dependencies, leading to the infamous "it works on my machine" problem. Docker solves this problem by providing a consistent and isolated environment for running applications. With Docker, you can be confident that your application will run the same way on your development machine, in a testing environment, and in production. This consistency eliminates the headache of environment-related bugs and makes deployments smoother. Docker also enables microservices architecture, where applications are broken down into smaller independent services. Each service can be packaged and run in its own container, making it easier to scale and manage complex applications. Docker's magic lies in two key components: containers and images. A Docker image is a lightweight, standalone, and executable package that includes everything needed to run a piece of software, including the code, runtime, libraries, environment variables, and configuration files. Think of an image as a blueprint or a recipe for creating a Docker container. A Docker container, on the other hand, is a running instance of an image. When you start a container from an image, Docker creates an isolated environment where the application can run without interfering with the host system or other containers. This isolation ensures that applications within containers have their dedicated resources and don't conflict with each other. Docker images are created using a simple set of instructions written in a file called a Docker file. Docker has gained immense popularity in the tech industry, and for good reason. Its benefits extend to developers, operations teams, and businesses alike. For developers, Docker streamlines the development process, allowing them to spin up pre-configured environments, share code easily, and focus on writing applications instead of wrestling with infrastructure. Operations teams benefit from Docker's portability and scalability, making it simpler to deploy, manage, and scale applications across different environments. Businesses enjoy faster deployment cycles, reduced infrastructure costs, and increased productivity. Real-world examples of Docker in action are abundant. Netflix, Spotify, and Uber are just a few companies that have embraced Docker to enhance their application deployment and scaling capabilities. Docker is used in various scenarios, including deploying web applications, running databases, creating microservices, and powering continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines. Its versatility and impact on modern software development are undeniable. Docker has revolutionized how we build, ship, and run applications, making it an essential tool for any developer or organization looking to streamline their workflows and embrace the power of containerization.